Hi, it's your boy Fabi Boy, and this is How Do You Know When You Love Someone? So let's get it. How do you know you're in love with someone?
I think that you know you're in love with someone when you act selflessly. Like you don't just think about yourself, but you think about them more and you care about them more than yourself. Yeah.
So, do you have like more example to tell me?
So, like for instance, like if you wanted to go to the beach, and he wanted to go to La Ronde, then you would just choose to go to La Ronde because you're acting selflessly.
Okay, so you make him like try new thing.
Yeah, making me try new things. Yeah.
So what's your name and where you from?
I'm Karina, and I'm from Montreal.
So let's get it. How do you know you're in love with someone?
I think you know you're in love with someone when you start caring. It's about the little things, and when they do something, you remember it, and that just like things in passing, you'll remember them. It's like you'll bring them a coffee in the morning, or if they mention that they like something, you like go to the store and buy it for them as like little gifts. Yeah.
Do you think about them a lot?
Yeah. It's about just like walking down the street and then seeing something that you think they'd like, just having them in your mind.
So before you go to bed, you text him, "I love you," sometime or?
Oh. No, I don't do that, but maybe one day I will. We don't know.
So what's your name and where you from?
My name is Maeve, and I'm from Montreal.
So let's get it. How do you know you're in love with someone?
I feel like I know I'm in love with someone when I feel supported and when I feel like looked after. That's when I know I'm in love.
Can you talk about the look after and the support?
Yeah.
Give me some
So, like,
example.
When it's 4 a.m. and you can't sleep and there's one person you can call, that's the person you love.
Okay, so this is love, like true love.
True love. Yeah.
So do you like text him before to go to bed? I love you, or
FaceTime.
FaceTime.
All the way.
Okay,
FaceTime.
it's very like chemistry.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
So what's your name and where you from?
My name is Karen and I'm from Montreal.
So let's get it. How do you know when you love someone?
When you think about them all the time.
Do you text her "I love you" before you go to bed? Sometime when you're not together?
Most of the time, yeah. Good night.
And how do you know when you love someone?
When they're your best friend? I don't know.
Only this, so you have more answers to tell me.
How do you know when you love someone?
I just answer the question.
When you look at them and you just smile. I can't. It's just it comes from the inside, you know.
Okay, you see the chemistry like brought together.
Yeah.
Do you it make you try new thing in life?
Yeah, we try a lot of new things together.
Can you give me some example?
It's our first time on the road together.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's new experience. So you like
that's
it.
different. We like that. Yeah.
So what's your name and where you from?
My name is Matteo. I'm from Saint-Léonard, Montreal.
My name is Vanessa. I'm from Laval.
So let's get it. How do you know when you love someone?
Bon, pour commencer, l'amour c'est pas compliqué, hein, tu partages tout. Si tu sais que tu aimes quelqu'un, tu partages le grillon, mon frère. Grillon, on partage jamais. Mais si tu aimes vraiment la personne, tu es prêt à partager, même partager ton cœur. C'est comment?
Toi t'aimes les ailes de poulet, c'est comment?
Partenaire, aile de poulet, même le bail. Tu vois les Portugais cuisinent pas le poulet normal avec les feux, rien. Oh, ils te mettent dans le charbon, frère. T'as jamais mangé du poulet avec le charbon?
Ça arrive des fois, mais pas souvent.
Mon gars, je te jure. Je t'assure, si tu manges pas le poulet avec le charbon, et si t'es noir par-dessus tout, tu regardes ces vidéos, c'est que t'es pas un vrai Africain. Hein? Parce que poulet charbon, c'est l'avenir. Ou bien?
Avec sauce piquante aussi.
Et mets du pickles. Mets du pickles. Pickles un jour, pickles toujours. Tu vois déjà.
Avec un petit cabrit aussi, dedans.
Oui, ça c'est le petit complément, quoi. Tu vois, la petite, le petit contour, tu vois, juste pour que le bail soit guillou, ça t'amène au 7e ciel, là, tu vois. Tu comprends?
So, tomber en amour avec quelqu'un, c'est vraiment partager ton savoir avec la personne et les ailes de poulet.
Frère, c'est ça. Un noir va jamais partager une aile de poulet. Même avec sa mère, il partage pas, frère. L'aile de poulet, c'est pour toi. Ou même n'importe quelle partie de l'aile de poulet, même les fesses du poulet. Tu veux croquer ça, tu vas manger, tu vois. Le poulet, ça se partage pas. Point à la ligne.
C'est quoi ton nom, puis d'où tu viens?
Ben, moi, c'est Alex. Moi, je viens du Tchad. Et puis, voilà. La salle, Côte-Vertu aussi.
So, let's get it. Comment tu sais si t'aimes quelqu'un?
Ben, quand que tu deviens jalouse quand le gars il va parler à une autre fille, ou quand que tu changes complètement mais d'une façon meilleure à cause de cette personne-là.
Est-ce que tu l'as aidé à changer de façon meilleure, lui?
Ben oui.
Tu peux donner des exemples?
Ben tu sais, je sais pas. Je sais pas quoi dire.
Kudos, fais-nous des exemples, des choses.
Des exemples.
Pourquoi tu l'aimes elle? Pourquoi elle? Pourquoi tu l'aimes?
Parce que je suis bien avec elle, c'est juste ça. Dans le fond, c'est quand on est ensemble, on a du plaisir, on s'amuse, tout ça.
Il y a eu une bonne chimie.
Ouais, une bonne chimie entre les deux. Ouais.
Est-ce que tu as peur de la perdre en tant que personne?
Ouais.
C'est quoi ton nom puis d'où tu viens?
Anne-Sophie de Joliette.
Michael de Terrebonne.
So let's get it. How do you know when you love someone?
Mais en gros, c'est que quand tu vois la personne, t'as des papillons dans le ventre, puis genre tu peux plus t'en passer de la voir, puis que des fois t'as juste envie genre de l'embrasser, je sais pas. Ça dépend vraiment de la personne, puis si la personne t'aime en retour ou pas. Puis comme tu peux pas vraiment cacher, tu peux essayer de cacher tes sentiments, mais ça va pas vraiment marcher. Fait que ça va juste paraître à la fin, genre une fois, ouais.
So, toi, ton cœur bat vite quand tu vois ces personnes-là, puis avant de dormir, tu penses toujours à lui, puis t'as des gros sentiments, t'as un feeling que tous les jours, c'est comme un gâteau au chocolat, tu peux pas te passer de lui, genre.
Exactement, ouais.
So, c'est quoi ton nom puis d'où tu viens?
C'est Rin, puis je viens de l'Algérie.
So let's get it. How do you know when you love someone?
What can I say? It's more than just a feeling, you know? You have that connection that's just profound on every level. It's just the things you do, the things you say, and it's just like, when you're around her, man, everything stands still and nothing else matters, you know?
Okay, you hurt a lot, like you...
Yeah, man, instead of beating like a mile a minute, it actually like slows down, you know? It's crazy, you're just like, with her is where I want to be, you know?
It's a big mystery.
Yeah, I mean, it's huge. And if you know it's strong enough, man, nothing else matters.
So what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Trevor. I'm from Montreal, Quebec. You know what I mean? And just out here enjoying the day on the coasters and everything, my man.
So let's get it. How do you know when you love someone?
When you can, I guess, release gas wherever you are around them in the household, no problem.
Can you explain?
Okay.
Talk about the guys, okay. And you?
Just when you can be yourself around them.
Pretty much what I meant.
Yeah.
So-
That's disgusting.
So you have like very good chemistry. You scared to lose each other?
Yeah, I would say so. I mean, what do you mean lose each other?
No, you scared.
Scared?
To
I ain't
lose.
scared of nothing.
No, but you're not scared to lose them?
How am I gonna lose them if she's attached to my hip like this? Look at her.
Okay, so this person make time and sacrifice for you?
Oh yeah, tons of times. You should see the food that she makes. She's a very good cook.
Can
Do I
you-
make time and sacrifice for you?
Of course. Yeah.
Can you describe the food?
Okay, so we got charcuterie boards, and then she takes these jalapenos, she cleans them, she wears a mask when she cleans them because she coughs and it goes in her eyes and her mouth and her lungs. She wears a mask, she puts cream cheese in the jalapeno, wrap it in bacon, and then put it in the oven. The best thing you ever put in your mouth.
Okay, you
Second best thing.
Okay, you
As long as he's full,
Yeah, that's how you keep
that's
men happy.
exactly. As long as he's full, he eats, he's happy.
Exactly.
So you the Joker and you Batman.
What? No, I would say she's more like Catwoman. Yeah, she's, she seems nice right now, but she could be vicious
Can you describe vicious?
in bed.
So what's your name and where you from?
Oh, damn. Okay, Eli, Ottawa.
Sabrina, Ottawa.
So let's get it. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get
I
it.
be seeing all your selfies. All I think about is joining you. I just wanna come and build you up. Fuck boys been destroying
You
you.
know that you got the juice. You know that you got the squeeze. Riding around in the coupe. We try to talk when it's breezy. Know exactly what to do.